Hello and welcome back to another creative list. I'm your host Angela and I hope you enjoy.
Today I have a very exciting video with over 25 more ideas to upcycle your old jeans into new clothes from the fantastic creators at Pinterest. There are some really beautiful ideas in this list and I'd actually like to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I'll recreate the winning ideas. Simply leave the number you're interested in within your comment. To get this look, cut off about 3 inches where the zipper is in front and about 5 inches past the middle of either side of the back. Next, sew sheer fabric in its place and then you're done. This is the classic jean to skirt transformation. Simply separate the entire inside section of the jeans, front and back. Then get another pair of jeans and cut 2 triangles from the largest section of the legs on the other jeans. Sew the triangles between the 2 openings on front and back and ensure the length is the same all the way around. You can either hem the bottom or leave the edges raw. First, fold your pants in half and cut them to the approximate length you want the longest section on the right side to be. Next, separate the entire inside seam of the jeans. Cut the insides of both legs to be flat, that way you can sew them up in the front and the back. Now cut the hem to look as you wish. This skirt features a long section on the right. Last, use sandpaper and scissors to make the frayed holes. Throw it in the washer and dryer to unravel the holes and unhemmed areas to get that worn look. Cut the legs off of the jeans as shown. Separate the inside seam of the jeans and then sew it back together to make a skirt. Last, attach fringed fabric to the bottom of the skirt, ensuring an even length all the way around. Use the same method as mentioned earlier in the video to create a skirt out of your jeans. Cut the length to be of the longest fringe piece that you intend to create. Last, cut fringe on the bottom and trim accordingly to ensure the length you prefer. Undo the seams on the inside and sew a seam up the back. In the front, only sew down as far as where you would like the slit. You can also sew all the way down the front and put the slit on the side by separating the seam. Either way, be sure to hem the split and the bottom of your skirt. Make holes in your jeans as shown in the picture. Then add strips of beads in between the areas that are missing in your holes. Last, add more pearls and jewels as you wish all the way around the holes. This is another one of the jeans turned to skirt, but the difference is you don't cut off that extra flap that once made the crotch of the jeans. I don't prefer this way. I like the flap cut off so it doesn't look like the skirt was made of a pair of jeans. I like to be inconspicuous about that. For this lacy look, cut the legs off of a pair of jeans just above the crotch, so you have an open tube. Then grab your prettiest lace fabric and some fabric lining. Cut the lining to be roughly the same shape as your lacy fabric. Gather the lace and lining and sew it around the perimeter of the jeans tunnel you made. You can take it a bit further and add appliques just below the front pockets. Make the top part of this skirt by cutting off a pair of jeans just above the crotch. Then, the rest of the skirt is basically just a ton of patches put together willy-nilly. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video, and if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a creative post.
Today's video was brought to you by me, so please have a wonderful day. Hit the subscribe button to help support my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.